Look at that thing. Take that, world. I'm over here today in another inspector that actually knows how to do things videos. I'm gonna fix that for a dear friend. Fire zone, damn right, man. I'm gonna put some metal on that and weld it. First day I'm really using this as a work van. Got my chop saw, got my welder, and I didn't really want to do MIG because I have to drag this bottle along. It's a pain in the butt, but I also would have had to disconnect the wire and gun, which would have also been a pain in the ass. So I got my little cart in here too, all roped up with the main sheet from my sailing dinghy. See how it goes. Oh yeah, also I wanted to show off my uniform. Oh yeah. All jelly roll, dude. Those are those Guinness. They're really good, but too many last weekend. All right, we're done, packed up. Basically in under an hour. I welded 2 inches of 2-inch angle onto this tab and about 1.5 inches over there because we had it clamped together and the clamp was going to be in the way. Just how life is sometimes. This part was smashed and it needs concrete, not more steel. So this was my portion and the final installment of this video of the inspector that actually knows how to do things. I didn't do that. Mountain laurel. You could ask me about your trees too. I know a lot about trees. I'm not an arborist though. I'm not consult a certified arborist, please. Recommend consulting a consultant. Recommend consulting a certified consultant picker. How about that? Oh. Astrovan, $5,000. $5,000. I've put, let's see how many miles I've put on my Astrovan. It's my leg. Still starts, just kidding. How many miles? It's 112.9. I got it with 107.8, I think. I mean, it's just, I'm like, how can you be any